What happens to your prostate if you masturbate every day? Today, we're diving into a topic that raises a lot of questions and curiosity: masturbation and prostate health. Is daily masturbation beneficial, or can it cause problems? Can it increase the risk of prostate diseases, or, on the other hand, help prevent them? Many people grow up hearing conflicting information on this subject. Some say excessive masturbation is harmful, while others claim it's good for men's health. But what does science say about this? What happens to the prostate if a man masturbates every day? My name is Dr. Michael Harris, and I'm a urologist. If you want to uncover the truth about this topic and understand how it may impact your health, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video on men's health. First, it's important to understand the prostate and its function. The prostate is a male reproductive gland located just below the bladder, surrounding the urethra. It plays a fundamental role in producing seminal fluid, which makes up a significant part of sperm. Now the question arises, can frequent masturbation affect this gland? The answer is yes, masturbation does affect the prostate, and science has studied this in detail. How masturbation affects the prostate. Research shows that ejaculation frequency can influence the risk of prostate diseases, including cancer. A study published by Harvard University followed thousands of men over many years and found that those who ejaculated more frequently had a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. According to this study, men who ejaculated at least 20 times per month had a significantly lower risk of the disease compared to those who ejaculated less frequently. This study, published in 2016 in the European Urology Journal, the most prestigious urology journal worldwide, tracked around 31,000 men over 18 years. Men who reported ejaculating at least 21 times a month had a 31% lower risk of prostate cancer diagnosis compared to those who ejaculated 4 to 7 times per month. One possible explanation is that ejaculation helps clear inflammatory substances from the prostate, reducing the risk of chronic inflammation, which can contribute to diseases. Benefits beyond the prostate: masturbation can also reduce stress and help regulate hormone levels, to factors that can directly impact prostate health. Orgasm releases endorphins and other substances that help reduce anxiety and improve overall well-being, which can have a positive effect on general health. Is there such thing as too much masturbation? The truth is, there is no ideal dose that works for every man. What's important is how it affects one's life. If masturbation doesn't interfere with your daily activities, relationships, or productivity, there's no cause for concern. On the other hand, if it becomes compulsive and causes emotional or physical harm, it might be a warning sign. Some men report excessive sensitivity in the intimate area, difficulty maintaining an erection during actual intercourse, or even a decrease in libido when masturbating excessively. Masturbation is not a substitute for other healthy habits. It's also essential to remember that masturbation doesn't replace other healthy habits for the prostate. A balanced diet, regular physical activity, and routine medical checkups are crucial for maintaining prostate health throughout life. Prostate health beyond masturbation. While masturbation is beneficial, it doesn't prevent all prostate diseases. For example, benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH), an enlargement of the prostate, can occur regardless of ejaculation frequency. The same goes for prostatitis, inflammation of the prostate, which can have multiple causes, including infections. What about sexual health? Can frequent masturbation harm your sexual life? It depends on how each man relates to his sexuality. For some, masturbation can be a helpful way to get to know their body better and even improve control over ejaculation. For others, excessive masturbation can form unrealistic expectations regarding sex or reduce interest in relationships with a partner. Balance is always the best approach. Daily masturbation is not inherently problematic, but if it negatively impacts your quality of life, it's important to reflect on it and seek professional advice if necessary. Final thoughts: the most important takeaway from this video is that there is no universal rule. Every man's body is different. The key is to pay attention to how your habits affect your health and well-being. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Healithic channel and help others learn about important health tips. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'm always happy to discuss healthy living with you. Let's improve our health together.